Happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day. Hope you get to see each other soon. I'll see you soon, okay? Bye-bye. Thank you very much, very, very much.
Masasabi ko, sana lahat ng wishes mo ay syempre will come true. Sana syempre more blessings from the Lord, good health, and never always forget to pray to the Lord, thank Him for all the blessings. Sana makita ulit tayo soon, and I'll love you.
Yolo, I'd just like to greet you happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you.
Birthday, sana mag-enjoy ka sa iyong karawan. Sayang at wala ka dyan, pero I hope magkita tayo someday. God bless you, my power. I love you.
Happy birthday. Thanks for your unwavering support to me, to the show, to everything I do. And it's been a pleasure knowing you, and take care of yourself always. I'll always be here for you guys. Happy birthday.